7 Best Hotels in Franklin, Tennessee. Number 7. Drury by Hilton Franklin Cool Springs, Nashville. Make yourself at home in one of the guest rooms featuring microwaves and LCD televisions. Complimentary wireless internet access keeps you connected, and cable programming is available for your entertainment. A complimentary buffet breakfast is served daily. Number 6. Hyatt Place Nashville Franklin Cool Springs. A 42-inch flat-screen TV, sofa bed, and private bathroom with granite countertops and free toiletries are featured in each suite. A work desk, coffee machine, and small refrigerator are also included. A 24-hour fitness center with cardio equipment is available, as well as a 24-hour front desk. Number 5. Drury Plaza Hotel Nashville Franklin. Located in Franklin, Tennessee, this hotel features a swimming pool and a daily hot breakfast. Free Wi-Fi is also offered. A microwave, refrigerator and coffee-making facilities come standard in each room at Drury Plaza Hotel Franklin. Number 4. Franklin Marriott Cool Springs. Franklin Marriott Cool Springs offers elegantly furnished guest rooms with air conditioning and a work desk. For in-room dining, room service is available and a small refrigerator is in each room. Guests can relax in the hot tub after a workout in Franklin Marriott's fitness center. Number 3. Hilton Franklin Cool Springs. Make yourself at home in one of the 244 guest rooms featuring refrigerators and flat-screen televisions. Wireless internet access is available to keep you connected. Conveniences include phones, as well as safes and desks. Be sure to enjoy recreational amenities, including an outdoor pool and a 24-hour fitness center. Number 2. Embassy Suites by Hilton Nashville South Cool Springs. Reserve one of our spacious suites with private bedrooms, separate living areas with sleeper sofas, and LCD HD TVs. Appreciate our dramatic atrium that has a waterfall, water features and greenery. Our atrium hosts our complimentary cooked-to-order breakfast and complimentary evening reception. Number 1. The Harpeth Franklin Downtown, Curio Collection by Hilton. This smoke-free hotel offers complimentary parking nearby. Breakfast is available daily for a fee. Featured amenities include dry cleaning, laundry services, a 24-hour front desk, and an elevator. Make yourself at home in one of the air-conditioned rooms featuring mini bars and LCD televisions. Thanks for watching. For even more information about each property mentioned in this video, check out the video description below, to find links to each one of the properties. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.